Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we will be talking about why you should eat a frog every single day. If that sounds a little weird, don't worry, we're here to explain. Eating a frog is a productivity method developed by Brian Tracy from a famous Mark Twain quote. Now, the frog refers to the most important tasks to complete each day and the habit of prioritizing your daily tasks and working on them first to be more productive and complete goals quickly. We'll also be sharing how to use Taskade to implement this workflow, so let's get started right away. Now, one of the main reasons to use this method is to avoid procrastination and to clarify goals on their importance. This also eliminates the need to multitask so you can achieve goals easily. Now, to do this in Taskade, all you have to do is create a new project and list down your major goals and then add tasks which will help you complete them. It also helps to break these tasks down further to subtasks using Taskade's hierarchy system to help you take one step at a time. We also recommend using hashtags like P1, P2 and P3 to prioritize high importance tasks first and categorize them accordingly. Once you've added set tasks, be sure to use the due date feature as well as add certain time to schedule your tasks every single day, ideally the first thing in the morning for your highest priority tasks. Every time you start a task, you can also make use of a timer feature to essentially focus on one task and work it during the scheduled time till its completion. This will let you stay focused and create an atmosphere of productivity. Well, there you go. We hope that we could explain to our viewers why eating a frog every day is important to complete your tasks effectively. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more productivity-based videos like these, and we will be sure to be back with a new video soon. Taskade, simplify your productivity.